Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Abeg, if today na una first time wey una dey watch dis my channel, make una no forget to subscribe, to like and to press the notification bell so that anytime when I upload video e go dey sound for una phone kpakam. And for this my channel, we dey upload everyday the latest aproko, the latest gist in town. So guys, anytime wey be say I upload, make una come dey join me, okay? So I go dey see una, make una bye bye oh.
Good evening, everybody. Please share this video. Enoge, you are in hot seat right now. Hot seat. Sure you want to come outside, I can't talk my matter. I tell you say how I go meet you, but you two the form, might be your one they like, not the form. You understand? I tell you say how I go meet you. You don't know as they be. How they be now? How don't they meet you? But they never meet you finish. Oh. You see that your small luggage, maybe like matches, so you will see her for the month. Then you go clear for your eye like DSTV. Not talk my matter, not talk my matter, not talk my matter. You continue, you say my matter, you want use and take make money. You use and make money finish now, you go the sleep road. May you see life. No, I can't laugh you. You will go, what do you go do for France? Very good. You never even reach us. Say go tackle that woman. You know, yeah. Your wife they cry for house with 3 children. Whenever 4 months. You they say that this one you say they chop. Hey, who send you? And okay, who send you? Who send you? You want go play 419 for there. That one don't see. It don't hold you for. You know how the whole person. Because here say give person 15,000, you want go there. How much you want to carry? 5,000, be 2,000. How I don't meet you. You know how they take the pull head for 2 places. I know the rake. Share you the see. If now you talk my matter finish, scatter with your entire body. No, you're the see, you know you're the fight, the jam head. Because my head too strong. You don't know. I don't need to tell you. You don't get sense. People won't even talk my matter. I wait till do them. Your matter not reach to handle now. Share you the see and so. Now beg you go there now. Your tunic go fire. See if you like, how they put red for you. Your tunic go fire. Now you see now your penis. Where I say you if you say I don't know what I call them. Now you fuck pass abi. Now you fuck. Now you sabi fuck pass abi. They wrong go. Who call you? You not see me. I tell you one thing. You not you just deceive that woman. I first tell this woman that I say this boy, this central boy when you put for us. You never see you better pass you. If you see you better pass you, go see another. That one I get passport. Maybe that one they maybe that one I see fit they do as I will never born. you get money. Are you mad? Who be this fool? Remove that thing from here. You know, see, I create this page for you. Ogun they kill you. You na sister to Enogi, abi you na papa Enogi. When Enogi they do people, why you not go put red for them? Make thunder fire you. This idiot. How they meet Enogi, abi no they meet Enogi. He don't they beg, abi no they beg. He woman they fight, abi no they fight. I'm not they talk true. I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear. I don't want to talk plenty talk. How they meet Enogi, abi no they meet. If they meet, I'm gonna comment for here. For those of you when like wetin they do, more not comment for you. Except the ones when they talk rubbish, they say wetin you they do, wetin you they do. When they do the thing, when I go come outside say why this person go they we all carry person for ground when not near them. Now how they meet and night they from France. They never even enter motor. They don't they say Benjamin, go let this and I do this one. Benjamin. See your life. Enogi. If you come back finish now, you say na prank. Not be prank anything. That perigo don't they cost your woman. Your woman don't they cost that one. We know what it dey. No, nothing like prank. Na no who they. Na no I take the prank. That one don't go shake nyash for your eye. That one don't enter your eye. You don't they hungry you. So soon you tell you say give boy money. You don't they hungry you to go there. You know they use here take here money. You don't get any MC when you go do. Even though inside one half room, even though toilets that they do, they say they want just do small gathering, you go say you won't go there. They do party for inside one room, you go say you won't go there, you won't go do it. Which MC you they do for them? Who they do party for inside one room? What do you need MC for? I mean, I not get sense. What is the meaning of MC? If they talk to your friends, you need MC. You when you do party for inside one room, not be just your friends, your friends or your woman friends. Not be una go use una man take talk. What you na dey do MC for down here? Say this one they shop. How much they pay you? They pay you 1,000 euro if you go do MC for person. Who even do the birthday at wetin they do? They get 1,000 euro. They use that to organize them. When they will come pay you 1,000. And this one you take the shop. Now MC not come to France again. Now you just come out for Germany. They go France, you want go do MC. Control hold you for road now. You go enter one chance. You never even see Richards. I be the way for you make you Richards. I not confident wait again because I dey observe my time. Because this is your own soul. I can't laugh you. I bet Mona help me laugh this boy. Mona help me laugh him because you don't too much. Say you see say not be your head or your carry just the do click. See your life. You go hey just now, your body go tell you. Make this woman pursue you come on for us. If this woman pursue you come on for us, they cause am again because you know yourself now. You know normal. You know. Hello? Hello, I can hear you. I can hear you. Talk. So, Enogi. Sure you don't see him. You never reach outside, you don't dey beg. Mama Laura, I beg. I thought you say you be beggy man. I don't sabi laugh. You don't dey beg. 1 week saga. You saga me for 1 week. Wetin you come tell you that so? Wahala. Let me say person give wahala for outside now. Wahala for inside house. And this one they carry come from outside now. Woman don't catch you for there now. Even your naked picture when you take the sleep fwan like Mugu, he go there with that girl now. May you try anything. Whether that your small penis when you take the gaga for street, whether you no go publish and come outside. Your naked picture not there with her. When you they sleep, you want to go from strong man. You when you know they walk. You know they walk, you know strong. And they observe you now. You know they do sports. You know they go now abroad with day. You know get a mag. If you like, you fool everywhere for inside your house. As I say, you know they do exercise. You don't struggle anything. If you go 1 or 2 rounds, in fact, 3, you will sleep. You don't wake up. You're gonna use hammer till they wake you. Who ma go just do wetin won't do you? Comot your boxers, make the photo wey won't make. Keep am for you. Use am take hold you. That time you call the beg. You never see anything. You know, you never see anything. I think you say we don't enter. Some people they talk rubbish. Wetin dey serve. Now they do this one again. Now they do that one again. Fool. You don't check my page. You don't check my page before you talk to me. You don't get sense. How they be you now, Mama Nora? You the first. Hey, your man, you're the pour fire for your eye. You don't be a tire, talk true. That woman, you don't be a tire now. We they see him now. I didn't say your man don't love you. Your man don't love you. I don't say some men they shame when you go they drop breast for camera like this. Yeah, that one not reach for matter shame. You know they say some men they shame. You don't use until they carry breast, they put for inside breast, they do like this. They don't get where you see so. You know what thing they do? Now, but I hear they call him madman, leave that band, man, leave that. He don't mad anything. He don't mad anything. They use people head till they collect money. He don't collect for your hand finish, they won't go that side. Maybe luck don't run against them for that side now. But we'll take this call, my people. Oh, sorry, call back. You don't cut. You know what thing they do? That guy wanna just see so. That guy wanna see so. You don't know what thing they do. But they just, not lie. Benjamin. Nah, all those one are jaggy. The funniest part now, the Perigo say one can saga you. Eh? Priceless, I be senseless. He say one can saga. Whether I see they cost you, I don't know because whether I never know how you take day because bless I'll see cost you small today. Maybe my affair will serve tomorrow, next tomorrow. You don't understand? Because this ain't no game. You know clear. You don't understand. You know who need document. If you do anything, who need money or document, those two things. Either money or document. Anybody when need them. You go wash floor now. You don't know. You go wash floor. You go mop ground. Sweep. You go iron your clothes, help you arrange them. You say no husband you get, they don't wrong go first. This is why I get document to go. This is why you get document for your hand. Will they come? Hello. I hear you. Nothing do you. Talk to me. Talk to me, Ugbani. Don't be lie. Okaje san? Okay. I'm winning award in the now. No, they give them the award now. Don't be smarty. My brother, I beg, speak English. Make them they hear. Make them they hear because some Benin people they hear. They'll say they don't they hear Ishan. Okay. No wahala. Everywhere good. Everywhere good. My brother, if you dey talk like this, they will turn out to tribal war again. No vex. Later you will talk to me. You know that. So later you tell me this one. Yeah. May not be like say they will say Isha people. Now me I know you get matter. You know understand. So and some women when go they join they no gay. They say one. I don't know what they call you. They say you be Ije Kokoma. Be what they call you. You when they smell. You. Now me you dey trauma to me. You when they don't know. You when 5 people they view for YouTube. Now me you dey trauma give. My brother. No wahala, my brother. As I dey talk, Enoge, you know say you don't fall, your leg, one leg, now you can't stand now, one leg. I know say na cloth you want come carry, you want run go back to France. I know. Just come carry the cloth if control no hold you for road. Come carry the clothes when you want carry, then take off. You hear? All your knee go fine. Just choose. I know say people dey when go before that woman for UK. That one I don't dey help you dey beg for ground now. I beg, leave am. Shame don't come now. I beg. Benjamin go talk. You don't go to talk say Benjamin. I don't say Benjamin go to talk now say now he just do am. When I saw me Benjamin do am. Hey no gay. Not be me do am now. But now my spirit do you now. You don't know. You offend me, my spirit worry you. Why you come the Benjamin? Not be Benjamin do am. I tell you say I be babalawo for abroad before. Why you come dey fear me before saying I may not be Benjamin do am? Even though my spirit come dey chook am for your eye now. You no go, you still say not be Benjamin do am, not be Benjamin do am. Now your wife do you. You know be Benjamin do am. Now your wife can't do you. Now your wife now do you. You never reach chance now more dey hear scores. I dey wait for that scores so. Maybe tomorrow I will hear scores. Not beg. If you know say you strong, not go beg. Enter house just like that. Hello?
Yeah, hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
Hello?
I can hear you.
Yeah, good evening. Dopes Jazz. This is Jumofuma.
Okay.
I'm watching you from my area in Italy.
Okay. Good evening.
I just laugh. This is not a war between Isams and Benin.
Yeah,
it's
sure.
It's a war about Richard disrespecting you because you cut into his program to ask him what he's trying to do to rubbish your name.
Sure.
It's not a war between Isams and Benin, so some people should not take it
personal.
Negatively wrong that Isams are fighting Benin.
No, we are not fighting Benin. No. For me, I'm not fighting anybody.
Beside you, I don't want to shout. I'm Anjomofuma. You should know me.
Yeah, I know you, sir. I know you. Yeah.
Yeah, you should know me. I am one of the biggest social media gurus from the Edo cyberspace.
So, okay.
Sometimes I push.
Now I know who is talking.
To certain things like this. I'm a political inclined person by nature.
Okay.
That's what I do. Political inclined government, how to improve the well-being for people back home. But sometimes I still come on air. I've been seeing how your wife has been oppressed. Then she wants to stand for the truth and people are oppressing her. That is what I say. Dopes Jazz. I'm an Isama from Ewu. I'm from Ewu.
Okay.
So I'm 100% beside you, nothing to you. So carry on. Carry on. So I just can give this a brief input. Now, what I want to.
Thank you so much. Hand of applause for you.
So we ask for DNA as essence.
Okay.
Ask for DNA as essence. It's
Okay.
highly important. Money can do the needful. Anything short of that is a taboo upon Islam.
Okay.
We don't comprehend. We don't compromise. We don't digress.
At all.
They go say another man born. Never
At
happen
all.
for Islam.
Mm-mm.
You must use Monica
Uber.
as a litmus test
Sure.
to prove whether we must use Monica as a litmus test to prove whether I bought that picky for Ambrose or Papa Wala.
Why? One of the two. Picky must belong to one person.
Papa Wala on the social media space. I didn't do it. I said the case not clear for me. I don't defend the indefensible.
Sure.
Can make me with Johnny Bisubé Corey, the new so-called one of the social media, Monica, Ambrose, Wala, Yeye Gang.
I don't want to talk to that one, no man.
So,
People.
as I'm calling you, I'm 100% with you. Essence, we know they take class.
You know if you carry last now. You don't know.
We take class.
At all.
We get honor for marriage. We get honor for everything.
Sure.
So, that being said, that being done, Super Jazz, you're a fine boy. You're my younger brother. I appreciate you.
Thank you so much.
You're good to go. You're good to go.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, have a nice
I appreciate this call. Thank you.
You're good to go.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, bro. So, as I was saying, a big thanks to that caller, John Omofoma. So, for Enogi and his wife, my foot, baby mama, Enogi and his baby mama, I will be waiting for you guys tonight because I want to see the outcome of what is going to happen. Because, Enogi, you said I will not sleep. How will you sleep? You will not sleep. But me, I'm sleepy right now. I can sleep good. Except right now, maybe night shifts and but I'm good, I'm fine. But you now, wahala don't enter your body. It don't enter your life. Not be even enter your body. It don't enter your life. You know wahala don't enter person body. Better wahala. Wahala won't enter your body. Now your leg, where you for sit down before, they don't put fire for there. You don't they burn you come up. Because now this woman, I make you for don't fair carry your back, you just run. For don't run come on for Germany before. Now this woman come rescue you. You know now this woman make you both talk to Eddie Murphy. You know what you they talk. It don't be this woman, you know bold. You know say Eddie Murphy go all clear your two leg. And this woman make you now consider Benjamin. Your voice don't crack, you see they shout. One day they don't hear what you they talk again. You don't know. Benjamin. You don't shout Benjamin now. You don't enter one chance. I be you now. It's clear for your eye now. Perigold, carry on. Make Perigold carry on, you know. You know why? Now know why. Because that guy, I believe say want go job that guy. He use it to hear money, he won't go in. Now that guy tie him down till daybreak. May and this one made a fight. Made a tear their head for pillar. I no go let this one take beer. This one know now. You know person won't follow theirs now. That one if you come outside, if you no get come outside 2 hours, you never do wetin you want to talk less of you go sleep. Forget matter. You no get woman, you go take cat, Take cat. Don't be say they beg for no girl. Because as you want make other people be, now you won't be so. But wetin I wan beg you, if you come, just carry a luggage, you know that is small luggage, put am for outside for am. Because this man, you no fit follow am do anything. Tomorrow you go still go NCO. Next time now, you see the time, wetin come vex me most. It's a good time, eh? He enjoyed the time with this goddaughter. That he is so happy. For next time, he will be so glad to go to France again. Can you people hear that? Enoke say he go the thing. The sweeter for mine say to return back. Problem when you don't enter problem, you never finish for this one. You say you want still comot again. If they still invite you again, you go. You don't now be say you don't ready now. There you want to do house now. You don't get new apartment for there. No need. Because this woman no will forgive you for this one. Because if I continue to dey curse this woman and the children now, you go. You know what I never cursed the woman since? Because you don't talk one thing when I all hear. She said, Enoge, I know they call you Papa Lord again. I want they call you Enoge. As he told that one, I laugh. And I say, yes. Problem don't really enter your body. Better wahala. Bege. You don't see go pay for this one. You dey train now, they come, abi you don't reach house. Abi you don't dey beg now. Which one? May I check time? Past 7. Which one you dey do for inside now? Okay, I don't say you hide they wash me. Just if you hide they wash me, because shame don't hold you now. You see as they be. Who they do something, no they think of tomorrow. People who they think say this thing go happen to you by next year. No say now this week it won't happen to you. This week when you take cost me, now the week night they happen to you. You see them? I can't take fast forward like that. Now make you say, not be me do not be Benjamin, not be Benjamin go to say that it was. You see they mention Benjamin. Some name day when you go to mention unnecessary. See, you go enter gbege, you enter one chance. Now one chance you enter, so one chance vehicle. That mean they tell you, Enoge. How they be you now? I can't shine my teeth for you. I can't laugh you. Better one. You say you be man. May you go, you want hide chop now like they catch you. Your nyash don't open. Even the one when you go hide chop safe, you don't they prepare better saga. Better saga they wait you. And you go they lie, which is very, very bad. You all carry this one when they house. You carry a matter go. I know now, because if you don't spoil this one, that one not go agree. You don't first go spoil this one when I made that one agree. And he say she recorded you. If you come they play that one tomorrow now. Your cousin say, don't be Benjamin, because this one. Don't be Benjamin. Because I don't hear your voice. As I even hear your voice, I won't pity you. Benjamin go to say that cause this one. Benjamin go to say that cause. Wait till Benjamin don't cause. You never see anything, no gay. You never see anything. Now wait till I say I say you, I go look, I'll sit down. Not be here they sit down since. I'll sit down, they observe you. They observe how I want a land for your body. You know they land now. People when they follow you now, when they call people they talk rubbish. All of them now they go see they will turn back. You know when shame don't hold you now. Then now come what did they want to talk again? Nothing. The shame don't come. I tell people that day now this woman might be your leg. Maybe some people want come they talk lie, say, hey, that one a lie. See you now, husband. Come on, husband. 6 months. Whether not 3 months they give you, I've been on 1 week husband. You just hold on now. Because I'm not sure whether working permit did that husband. You just hold on now. You say now, I see you want come they use husband, say they do. You not even guesses. You will be Aduro now, you be never give paper. Then they go hear now say you they do live video for France. Your social go hear that one, they do live video for France. Or dead. You when they look for them, whether they go even manage give you 1 year documents. You dey go France, go the Buga. You go stay there now. Why you go use there do house? You like France now. You when you like France, what thing you want to do for here again? Eh? You see your sense very small. You even go show for another place. Now what you want to even they shut up on. If they can't wait for you for road when you want pass now, control you. If they can't hold you that time now, you will say, I believe say that Benjamin Juju. Because you never believe now. You never they feel am now. Maybe later. You come they say, this one be like saying that Benjamin Juju be this one. How don't they meet you? You see your life now. Your woman don't they cry for midnight. They call. She no fit sleep. Come the entire live video. Oh, shame on you. You can see the entire bedroom. They tell the other one, don't cut, come, go continue. No gay. You don't know, say you never cut call. I don't meet you. Or wait a day, baby. Wait it. I just say you don't know anything. You don't really go ask what teacher they call really. You don't really, as in the thing don't hold you now. Eh? The person really, as you know, they know the way thing go do at the right moment. Now he don't worry you for that. So you can't forget say you never end call. You go to tell that one say come. Now this one they hold you so. You see how? I make not be everybody they carry the rough for ground. This one a small thing, you know, people they go hear them. They will hear the bigger one because you see as you do so. Bigger one and when you come see your luggage for outside. If the woman want to punish you, come they do live video, they video you they beg. See, if you not fit do one, mama, I don't they call you your name now because I fit change them tomorrow. I fit change them again, enter shapeless, senseless. See, before I go change them again, if this man here they come, as this man here they come, so this say no gay. See, carry the luggage, put for outside, you carry phone. Even though you want to forgive, make sure you video them. Once you video them, so that next time you don't do them again. Because if you don't video this guy, another day, you not go reach a month, maybe December, go back to that France. You must go again. Because that thing when you go enjoy, so the thing must still enter the brain again. Go say, no, I want lie. Maybe now Paris, one can say they go for this one. Whereas now lie. You not get anybody when call out for MC. Now plan work. You don't know. Sure, you see now, congratulations to me. Who is crying now? Who is begging now? You. You are the one begging now. I lie. You don't they beg now. See the beg, you don't they clear. God forbid bad thing. Not do bad, you say you won't do bad. Not do bad, you say you won't do bad. Like I say, they create your hand, put for bad. You can't forget, say other people are be do bad. You can't forget, say not be you, only you that create. Whether the devil create you. You can't forget, say if devil create you, maybe go see another people way create you. If devil they manipulate you, you can't forget, say if you see another people way devil still manipulate you see your life. Ta! You don't be for your eye. You don't be for your eye. Now picture you can't post now. You dey post picture. And you no go talk to that one say, don't talk to my where you dey when that girl writes, give your woman time, deadline. Where you dey? If you never sleep with that woman, if you never, that girl be that woman, I don't know. that perigold. If you never fuck that perigold, how come you know you come to take get safe for that? They say my goddaughter, I love you so much. Now they say my godfather, I love you so much. You cannot cause quarrel between us. Are you for real? Seriously? Are you sure? And I be say the man don't enter candle. No level for I no get my guy, I no think do you. No level for that. You don't see I don't be for here now. If we tell am say no level, it's not this way. I ain't go even dey tell person say no level. The thing go dey shock me. I go dey imagine. I be this guy. Na Naija we dey now for say maybe he do blood money hide. For here, when me all know you korokoro, you get level. No level now, you know now. We don dey talk now, na so we take dey shop. If we can't do MC, we will come do add Facebook code joiner. Hey, no gay, you for not follow me, make trouble. You for just you be gamma, you know. No need to dey shout. You cost me. Which gain you gain for inside now? All the gain when you gain for inside now for your woman to face you one-on-one and start telling the world, my husband is not a good man, but you will be claiming. You have been claiming to be a nice man, to be a good man. I love my wife so much. You know, some women don't get sense. Any man will go, say, I love you so much. You know, I love you so much. He go probably want to talk for public. Now lie. If you go call that one, I go say, you don't know say if I don't talk that one, I go, yeah, I here for hide now. If I don't talk that one, you know go, you want me to pursue me, you take am easy. Now so, men when even they talk say I love you for public. Now they really love person, say they want love. Now they all get good mind. Not be to come they talk I love my woman so much. I am proud of my woman. I am proud of my woman. Inogi, are you normal? You sure? I'm not sure. This guy not normal. See Anana. When the winds blow, we shall see the anus of the fowl. Can you see it now? The winds don't they 8 o'clock, now the girl want to enter, but I will not have time. I could have loved to watch her live because waiting she won't throw away, suppose maybe the thing go many. Now laugh for you until they laugh, you know. Just use until laugh. You know, now so you do all this. Common small setup. You won't set person up. You don't see that person go 50. You know when you they plan to set person up. You don't know whether who you won't set up, whether it's they plan to set you up. Now I saw this time your bill. You go want set person up. That person if they plan to set you up. For real. Take it or leave it. I don't want to shout on them. Hey, no gay. But they no gay. How market now? How your life they be you now? How they do you now? You dey confused. Are you feeling good right now? You say make people not call you. Only message is okay. Only message you. And no gay you where we know. And no gay me I know you now. You for know they happy since it's a better thing. You don't weak now. You don't they call people when saying you say, I beg if I don't know say na so it be you. I for not put but you. Now so you don't they talk now. You don't know. You don't know say what they talk. What they talk now. Abi you don't know. They not tell you. What they talk. Might be this your own soul. Enogi. I come here, you know, say today I don't want to shout. I also free. I dey laugh safe. I heard they laugh since. You know why? Because I don't they meet you. You see, you do me now 1-0. I don't give you 1-0 now. You see, 1-0 now they give you so. You go beg for this one. The one when you do not, I don't beg anybody. Nobody beg me. I don't tell that I can't beg me. I don't beg anybody because you dey lie. But this one now, you dey see am now, korokoro. You must beg for this one. Whether you like it or not, say you no go beg. You beg, you not beg. Now 2 women you go dey beg. You go dey beg that petty goat. May no publish anything concerning you. You go dey beg the one when dey house. That time you come to say you know if you know that you belong to nowhere. That time you know that you are just in the middle. Yes, now when man want marry 2 wives, now middle you go there, now middle. This one go hit you for this side, that one go hit you for that side. You better go stay with one. Whether na this one you want stay with, whether na that one. Because you never ever come out when that one say, are they assist? Yes, sure. And they observe. That one say, who go they share them? Who they want share? He said they go they share you, not you. They go they share you, you know? Maybe this week, that side. The other week, this side. They say they want to share you. You never hear them. And we not gonna know whether they share you now, whether this one when they here now. When you get 3 and they never grow. You suppose they help this one. You know now. That's to show that your head not really correct. You don't want to help this one again. You won't go chop fresh one. Because you're here 15,000 euro. The day when I say you do that thing, 15, I say don't get a shot. 15,000 euro! 15,000 euro! 15,000 euro! Now $1 million. Sabi na $1 million euro. Bog. 50,000 euro, 50,000 euro. You want faint. You know they work maybe for gather 15,000 euro. They find one give you for ground. You know go do wetin you supposed to. They watch whether you use me this year. Hello.
Please put down the telephone, please.
You said?
Hello?
Hello.
Benji, talk to me. I'm Christian Obeduke. I know you don't know me.
Okay. I'm with you. I can hear you.
Hear me?
I can hear you loud and clear.
Yeah, but I hope you are not on live video.
Oh, I'm on live video. Sorry. I'm on live video.
You see my number. When you get out of the video, I would make good many tell you the answer upon you.
Okay. No worries.
Very important.
Okay, no
Please call
problem.
me back. Thank you, bro.
All right. Thank you too. Hello.
$1 million.
Load the one you are watching me with. Load the other one you are watching me with.
You know the work made for.
If you want to call, first of all, load the one you are watching me with before you call, because you know waiting and they talk, I'll see the hear and for here. You understand? So you have to load that one before you talk. You can call in. Mona call. If you not call, Mona they tell me congratulations, because I need them. I need them. Because I must get credit for what I do. I need them. Now suppose no. Why you people so stupid? Wait till you they talk. Thunder fire you. Let's see when you they talk so. You know how many of the children there abroad when they talk rubbish. The one that they talk with you now know. Because you know they all can't lie. Now you all want can't they believe them. Person when get like 5 children for abroad, how many? You don't get sense when you still get one for house. The person when get people when they try. If you say food na that kind of person problem. I know they get sense. And I know get mama they suffer for house. Now I know get pikin when live for house. Now they suffer for house. No, no, no. Before you say anything, I know all those one are hatred. I don't say you hate me. See, you hate me. You hate me, I hate you. Now so like me. You know if you hate me, I'll like you. You hate me, I hate you. Comment anything, I don't care. If you do comment, I'll first delete them. Warning. Again, I'll block you. Bye-bye. You know, go like to my page again. I'll ban you, not be able to block. I'll ban you, come off of my page. Bye-bye. You know, go see them again. Go create another Facebook. This one are jealousy now. Why you they hate me? What did I do you? You know me before. I kill your papa. I kill person for our family. I don't do bad for our family before. Why you they hate me? You're not supposed to hate me. Thank you so much for people telling me congratulations. Thank you so much. I appreciate. You hate person for your mind. You will still come the carry and they come outside. Your own are wickedness. You hate person. Yes, you hate person. If me hate person, I don't even they go watch them. Talk to go the comment rubbish for them. No. If I know you like you at all, what's it gonna make me go they watch you? I know they watch you. If you curse me, maybe when you finish, I feel go there. I don't go even comment. You know, why you see my comment? With fake account or nothing? No. Those are not called for now. Now, what you not spoil the social media? You don't open fake account. So you don't even know how to open anyone. Just they call people, I beg, how to open this fake account? Are you guys for real? Hello? Hello, we can hear you. We can hear you. Nothing do you. You say you believe me. See, that word, you too much. I hate. Nothing do you. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
You know what you talk yesterday when you did that video? He said I don't talk that way. I don't say no did the lie. It's a big lie when they come out come lie. Now so this man say the lie.
Okay. You see him?
I laugh. And yes, I said talk yesterday. He said I don't say the lie. Me don't talk my own. People they beg me and coins. I don't feel jail. I don't feel sleep. Now I come out. I don't say no did the lie. They come out come lie. It's a big lie when they
you see him? The woman no say na lie I be. You go all carry lie. You go all forge and put for person body.
It's just be online now. It's just be online now. They cry. You see people before they cry. Follow us. If you see just the cry now, see me they talk. They online they cry.
Which one the woman I be the enogi? Which one the woman?
The woman don't be online now. They cry. Before they cry.
Oh, you see life?
I pity you. Thank you, sir.
Nothing do you. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Okay,
Bye. And okay, you see life? Your woman don't they cry. And for woman to they cry, you know what that means. You know, say you don't enter one chance vehicle for woman to they cry because of your matter. You know how they go now. Woman they cry now. Now you say he go video you today. Oh. Not your con house. Fair find another way go stay because you don't fuck up. You go still know the day when you follow me do saga. Say you want saga. Me and you we don't saga each other now. So they say forget that. Why I go forget you? People when they say forget you, they don't even know say you said know what you they do. If they don't say you know what you do, they will not go even say make I forget you because you never do them. If you don't do them, take that time. They don't know whether I like good for body or be not good for body. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
I beg. Not vessel. What make me call for this a live video be say. But no vessel. I want to ask you one thing. I beg.
Ask me, no problem. So far you not cost me, because you're not bad day here.
Yeah, you be Ishan,
I be Ishan. Yeah, confirm Ishan.
Why you go to follow these many people they run for this social media?
My brother, let me tell you one thing. I understand you. Let me answer that question before you ask another question. You see those things when they do so. You people call it ranting. But not be only we be the tribe. When not be only we be state. You know see other states see they do one. If you don't know, some Yorubas they do one. Some other countries they do one. Even some other countries fine. Yeah, in US they are doing this thing. Do you know that? We don't better pass United States of America. We know, okay, if you can't see say some people they talk for US now, they say, wait, this one, even Cardi B said they come outside for life, they talk anything when you want to talk. What is it? Shatta Wale can come outside and talk anything when you want to talk. Even Two-Face don't come outside and talk anything when concern when you want to talk. More than that, they say, we not suppose. But anybody can use, it's my own. I own it. It's my own right. If you don't like it, you just forget about it. Okay, please. Thank you. If you don't like it, you forget about it. Not that he shall not do. I don't work at a time. Call this thing. I be on my own. I be. You know understand? You be on your own. Me be on my. Nothing like. Say he shall not do. I get some people when like this thing as they do. So when they call me, you don't know. You know like cannot me say shall people or the shall not like them. Is it be like wetin Benin people dey do? So you dey feel say Benin people some Benin people still like wetin some Benin people dey do, but for some no still like am. So everybody cannot just like one thing. It's impossible now. No. Na so it be. How many people dey the world? Even Oyibo fit dey do something, some Oyibo no like am. It's not by force. You know me say abroad here, why do you have freedom of speech? You can do anything you want to do. You own your life. Wetin come concern another person? Not be making some fit fuck goat, some fit fuck cow, some fit do some kind things. So you not concern anybody. So you are on your own. That is your life. If you see somebody talking, you know what he or she know what she's saying. So hello. Close that one when they watch me, please. Hello. Hello. I can hear you. You low what you till they watch me, please. Low what you're watching me with. Hello. Hello. Yeah, but hi. How you channel say? Yeah, I'm sorry, never but that town ever home.
Paris,
I didn't hear you. And okay, they say you don't come Paris, so. That be won't beat you for Paris. You don't both. Go sit down for woman house. Say they homie. Okay. Don't be lying. Okay, thank you very much. Yes. Yes, so. Okay. You dey hear so. You not come Paris or have I Paris? You not come Paris. That one not go Paris. You go sit down with. Now that woman go sit down with. Okay. Yeah. Sure. Name it down. All the villas. Oh yeah, no. Hey, you hear the villas speaker. Merci, Name it down. Oh, I saved your number. Hey. Bye. Oh yeah, but don't worry, I will save your number now. Maybe save on your own. No, I bet that one and I go tire now. Yes, nothing to you. no, sure. Heavy. Yeah. Sure. Sure. When it based on Zana, you honey, where? Yeah, I go check to me. Me dire control you. Confirm. Confirm. But James has a boy. Yes, so nothing do you. Meditator, huh? And again, you go they rake. You not go anywhere. You get that bush they say you go for France. Bush now you go. I don't think they tell you many things. You get where you supposed to. You say they go Paris now. You for go Paris now. I be they don't ban you for there. You not go Paris, you not go Marseille, you not go some kind, you not go where for people they happen say they go bush, they say you go still hide for woman house. You for know how they find trouble. Trouble. Nyaga they sleep, trouble can't wake up. You see Nyaga you they sleep, trouble can't wake up. I be trouble they sleep, Nyaga can't wake up. I be on until they talk. And okay, the trouble see me a day here. Shey you be trouble. Me and you now they tire. If you not tired, woman go make you tired. I can't dey waiting won't make me tired for you. People they tell me say tired. Me no dey tired. I think I know they tired. Me no dey tired. Tired for waiting now. You never see anything. We dey here. We die here. And okay. That's why your woman they cry. If you reach us, just carry your 2 knee for ground. I want me to watch you. So that I just use that one to tell you so you don't get level. Because if you get level, you when they cause people for Germany, they say, I'll be that guac boy. When people suffer, they say you suffer. You don't know anything. When you suffer, you don't feel rise. You don't suffer hide. As you suffer hide, why you don't rise hide? Why? You never see something. See another. You don't be for your eye. My people, my good people, see. I go to like now. Those are when you like me so and see. Now God will just continue to the bless you now. Abundantly. God bless you all. Thank you so much. I'm about to go now. Let's see if I don't spend 1 hour for here for a no-get head. Let's see why they cry. Okay. I'm about to go now. See you guys tomorrow or some other time. I don't know yet, but maybe tomorrow. Because I go nowhere, man. I go nowhere. I dey here for no game. I they look the way when go take the fall, you know. As you go take the misstep. You don't miss 1 step now. You see woman being when they talk, you don't miss 1 step, eh? As you miss 1 step, now 4 don't come. That one go come outside for now 8 o'clock. You see I'm big where you go sleep. You say you don't relax today now. You never able to reach house where you for come out. Live video don't they go on for everywhere. You know get why you go fuck up. You don't go fuck off for that side. You fuck off for here. You go fuck off for that side too. You must choose one. Either Germany or France. Not they deceive this one when they here. You are deceiving this one. Notice that they tell this one that they feel say na lie they talk. You know say ashawo when you don't do ashawo, when they do the ashawo, she never born, she dey see money they give you. Now money not dey again. So as money not dey again, you must that money you dey find am like how to talk as like goat when they find salt. I be call am. I don't know how to put that word. You dey find am like say you know they use here take here, and you know they find am for in the good way. You believe say na woman go bring her, na woman. If woman not bring her, Facebook go bring her. Woman ain't want. 15,000 now you just hear 15,000 you dey shout you dey get up million times 50,000 euro 50,000 euro 50,000 euro hey no gay now you still go there make you go collect 50,000 euro. You know say get when man don fair job no get wetin you no know man don fair job am as man don fair job that girl she don wise she don get sense person like you no go even give you 1,000 again sef wetin you want to do 1k you no go give you and if he promise you now 30,000 your mind go just dey burst may you put your leg at that time you take know say you no go see scent. I'm sorry man, I'm about to go, that's why I don't want to pick her again. Thank you ladies and gentlemen, thank you everybody for watching, thank you all, bye, good night.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully